Welcome to Module 3, where we'll explore the CRAFT framework, a powerful tool to help you create more effective prompts when working with generative AI. Good prompts lead to better AI responses, saving you time and helping you achieve your learning goals more efficiently. The way you communicate with AI significantly impacts the quality of responses you receive. Vague instructions often lead to generic or unhelpful answers, while well crafted prompts guide the AI to produce exactly what you need. Think of it like giving directions. Go somewhere nice will get very different results than providing specific details about where you want to go and what you want to see when you get there. The CRAFT framework helps structure your prompts by focusing on five key elements. C stands for context, providing background information. R stands for role, defining who the AI should be. A stands for aim, clarifying the purpose. F stands for format, specifying the desired output format. T stands for task, detailing what needs to be accomplished. Let's explore each component and see how they work together. First, context. What situation are you in? This is where you provide background information about yourself, your educational level, the subject area, or any constraints you're working with. Next, role. What role should the AI act as? This helps the AI understand what perspective to take when responding to you, whether that's a tutor, editor, debate partner, or other expertise. Aim. What's your goal? Clearly stating what you want to achieve helps focus the AI's response on your specific learning objectives. Format. How should the response look like? Specify whether you want a list, table, paragraph, step by step guide, or another format that will be most helpful to you. Lastly, task. What specific action should the AI take? Detail exactly what you want the AI to do, such as explain a concept, provide feedback, or help you brainstorm ideas. Here's a real example of the CRAFT framework in action. Let's look at how a student might use this to plan a graduation trip. Context. I am planning a graduation trip to Seoul for me and my friends after our polytechnic studies in Singapore. Role. Help me as a local to plan. Aim. A 5 days, 4 nights itinerary. Format. Present the information in a table. Task. For each day, include at least 3 activities in close proximity, as well as suggested places for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Notice how this comprehensive prompt gives the AI clear guidance on exactly what is needed. When we look at the response to this well crafted prompt, we can see how effective the CRAFT framework is. The AI has provided a detailed table with daily activities, meals, and locations, exactly what was requested. Compare this to what you might get with a vague prompt like, tell me about Seoul, which would likely produce generic tourist information without any personalized itinerary planning. Let's consider how you might apply this framework for your studies. For instance, instead of asking, tell me about photosynthesis, you could use craft. Context. I'm a polytechnic student studying biology basics. Role. Act as a biology tutor who specializes in explaining concepts simply. Aim. Help me understand the process of photosynthesis. Format. Explain using a step by step breakdown with a simple diagram. Task. Focus on how energy transforms and include real world importance. This detailed prompt is much more likely to give you an explanation that matches your learning needs. As you begin using the CRAFT framework, keep these tips in mind. Be specific about your educational context and knowledge level. Choose roles that match the expertise you need. Make your aim clear and focused on your learning goals. Specify formats that will help you understand and remember information. Break down complex tasks into specific requests. Using craft is just the start for best results. Engage Gen AI in conversations. If you do not get what you want, you may adjust the prompt or let the chatbot know about it so that it can refine the response. Lastly, do not be constrained by CRAFT. Feel free to rearrange, add, or remove aspects according to your needs. The craft framework provides a simple but powerful structure for getting the most out of your Gen AI interactions. By thoughtfully considering each element, context, role, aim, format, and task, you can guide the AI to provide responses that are truly helpful for your learning journey. In our next module, we'll build on the craft framework by exploring conversational prompting, how to refine and improve AI responses through ongoing dialogue. Now, try creating your own craft prompt for a topic you're currently studying and see how it improves the quality of AI responses.